Good morning, Chris Ramos. Well, not quite morning yet. Here we are, aboard the ambulance. And may I say, what a beautiful ship this is. It is a very nice ship. The style, the decor is amazing. The sooner I'm off the ship, the better. Let me show you numbering. Let me show you how beautiful this ship is. Look at this. How can something so beautiful cause me so much pain? And like I say, this isn't fancy AR. This is just on my phone. It's just like the sooner off the ship, the better. Let me show you what I've been dealing with in my cabin for luckily only 3 nights. Um, it's just been hell. Hell on earth. I don't make these videos like this, but it's got to be done because if this is a cheap cruise, well, I mean, it was cheap compared to some of the wonderful excursions Ambassador do. It was just 3 nights. It cost me and my girlfriend about grand a bit. And it's been great, bar this. So excuse the video quality and the sound, but this is what I've dealt with every night. And I don't mean just when we're sailing, I mean 20, there's no release, 24 hours a day. This is in our cabin. There we go. Excuse the quality of that footage, unfortunately. Let me show you another beautiful venue. SW19. This ship is gorgeous. The staff are amazing. The food's been really good. But it's just that room, the cabin, man. It never stops. That noise never stops. I've never been able to enjoy it over just, like I say, it's only been a few night cruise. If this was a proper cruise, oh my god, transatlantic cruise, it just, the noise never stops. Never stops. We can't go back in the afternoon to relax. We can't go to sleep. It's just been absolutely awful. And the sooner I get off this ship, the better. And it's such a shame. I don't want to say that because look at it. It's everything's stunning. Everything's amazing. Everything 10 out of 10. Probably the best cruise I've been on. Oh, the hellhole of a cabin has just literally destroyed me. I'm sorry, but it just literally destroyed me. The sound never stops. I get it. It's an old ship. I get it. I'm not daft. But we're not talking about when we're sailing somewhere or maneuver. We're talking all day long. And you might think, oh my God, he's whinging. He always whinges. It's my money. That thing's killing me. I feel sick. It just never stops. So unfortunately, the sooner I get off this ship, the better. Sorry to moan, and thank you for letting me exhaust how I feel. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going home. That's a sad day. That is a sad day.